You are 32 years old. You trained your whole life for this. The mission is simple on paper. Land, collect samples, return safely home. That is what they told you. That is what everyone believes. The lunar module touches down gently. Dust rises slowly in low gravity. Earth hangs quietly in the distance. Blue, calm, and painfully far away. You take a deep, controlled breath. Your heartbeat echoes inside the helmet. Touchdown confirmed, you say calmly. Mission Control responds with applause. Voices sound proud, almost relieved today. You unclip your harness slowly. Your hands feel heavier than usual. Not from gravity, from something else. You open the hatch carefully. A blinding gray horizon greets you. Silence stretches endlessly in every direction. No wind, no sound, just emptiness. You climb down the ladder slowly. Each step feels historic, rehearsed, expected. Your boot touches lunar surface. Dust compresses under your weight softly. You look around, scanning everything carefully. Nothing moves, nothing changes, nothing breathes. It feels dead, perfectly, completely dead. You report your first observations. Surface stable, visibility clear, no anomalies. Your voice sounds steady, professional, trained, but something feels slightly off already. You cannot explain it yet, just a quiet feeling beneath everything. You begin walking away from module. Each step kicks up fine gray dust. Your shadow stretches long behind you. Earthlight reflects faintly across the ground. Your instruments show normal readings everywhere. Temperature, radiation, oxygen, all stable. Then you see something strange. A small indentation in the dust. At first it looks random, just uneven terrain or rock displacement. But then you see another one, and another one beside it. You stop walking immediately. Your breath becomes louder in helmet. You stare at the ground carefully. 2 parallel rows of impressions. Evenly spaced, consistent distance apart. They look like footprints. You shake your head slowly. That's not possible, you whisper quietly. No one has been here before. Not in this sector, not ever. You were first assigned to land here? You crouch down to examine closer. The prints are deep and clear, edges sharp, not eroded by time. They were made recently, very recently. You run a gloved finger along them. The dust still shifts slightly. Control, I'm seeing something unusual. You try to keep voice neutral. What kind of unusual? They ask. You hesitate for half a second. Possible surface disturbance. Investigating further. You don't say footprints, not yet, not until you're sure. You follow the trail slowly. Each step you take feels heavier. The prints lead away from landing zone, toward a distant cluster of rocks. You scan the horizon again carefully. Still, nothing moves out there. Your suit systems beep softly. Oxygen levels stable, no issues detected. Everything is functioning exactly as expected, except for the ground beneath you. You keep following the trail forward. The prints continue without interruption. Whoever made them walked confidently. No signs of panic or hesitation. You reach the rock formation finally. Large jagged shapes rising from surface. Shadows stretch deep between them. Darkness pools where light cannot reach. The footprints disappear into the darkness. You stop at the edge. Your instincts tell you something important. Something here is very, very wrong. Very. Control, signal interference increasing slightly. You say, buying yourself time. Continue mission, proceed with caution. They respond without hesitation or concern. You step into the shadows slowly. The temperature drops slightly inside suit. Your breath fogs the visor edges briefly. Your flashlight activates automatically in darkness. The beam cuts through black silence, and then you see it. A structure. Not rock, not natural formation. Smooth surfaces, sharp unnatural angles. Partially buried beneath lunar dust layers. You step closer, heart pounding harder. Your light traces across metallic surface. Scratches, marks, something worn with time. This has been here a long time. Control. Your voice lowers slightly. You don't know what to say. Describe what you're seeing, they ask. You swallow hard before speaking again. There's something here. A structure. Silence fills your headset suddenly. Then a different voice responds. Not your usual mission operator. Repeat that, the voice says quietly. You feel cold despite the suit. There's a structure here. Artificial. Another pause follows your words. Then the voice returns again. Do not approach the structure. You freeze instantly in place. That wasn't standard protocol language. Why, you ask, confused now. Just hold your position, they say. Your eyes scan the structure again. Something about it feels wrong. Then you notice another detail, a marking on the surface. You move closer despite the warning. Your light focuses on the symbol. It's not alien. It's not unknown. You recognize it immediately. It's a human marking, faded, scratched, but still visible. A mission insignia. Not yours, not current, something much older. Your mind races trying to process. Control. This is impossible, you whisper. No one responds this time. Your radio goes completely silent. Static replaces every human voice. You tap the side of helmet. Control! Do you copy? Nothing answers back. You are alone now. You step closer to structure slowly. A hatch is partially exposed nearby, buried under dust for years maybe. You brush it off carefully, the metal underneath still intact. You find a handle. Your hand hovers above it briefly. Every instinct tells you to stop, but curiosity pushes you forward anyway. You pull the hatch open slowly. It resists, then gives suddenly. A rush of stale air escapes outward. Impossible. There shouldn't be air. You step back in shock. Your instruments spike briefly. Internal atmosphere detected inside structure. You stare into the darkness within. Your light barely penetrates inside. Shapes move just beyond visibility range. Not clearly, just shadows shifting slightly. You hold your breath unconsciously. Then you hear something. A faint metallic sound echoes inside, like something moving far away. Your grip tightens on flashlight. Your pulse pounds louder than before. You take one step closer again, then another step forward carefully. The darkness seems to watch you back. You feel it before you see it. Something is definitely inside, waiting, breathing, existing in silence. Your radio crackles suddenly again. The same unfamiliar voice returns. We told you not to open it. Your throat feels dry instantly. What is this place? You ask. A long pause follows your question. Then the voice answers quietly. This mission was never exploration. You feel the ground shift beneath you. It was containment. Your heart drops instantly. Your eyes return to the darkness. The shadows inside shift again slowly. Something steps closer into faint light. Not fully visible, just a shape forming. Humanoid, but not completely human. Its movements are slightly wrong. Too smooth, too controlled, unnatural. You take a step back instinctively. Your breathing becomes fast and uneven. What is that? You whisper. The voice responds one final time. That should not still be alive. The figure moves closer toward you. Its silhouette becomes clearer now. And then you see the face, or what used to be a face. Your body locks in place. Your mind refuses to process it. Because you recognize the suit, an astronaut suit, older design, decades outdated. The figure stops at the doorway. It tilts its head slightly, like it remembers something about you, or about humans in general. Your hands begin to shake uncontrollably. You slowly step backward away. The creature takes one step forward, then another step closer. Your instincts finally take control. You turn and start running. Lunar dust explodes behind your boots. Your breath is wild inside helmet. You don't look back once, not even for a second, because you already know the truth. You were not the first here, and whatever came before you was never meant to be found.